emotional wounds often repeat like cycles in women's life. What does it really takes to heal the root cause instead of just the symptoms?
Mm, Anu, emotional wounds which keeps repeating like cycles in everybody's life
Mm,
because the pain remains unhealed within them.
mm,
Whenever that pain is triggered, people tend to distract themselves with work, with everyday chores, with achievements, with new relationships. But they don't realize that these same patterns keep repeating again and again. I
yes.
too have experienced many times, like one of the emotional wound that I have seen in my life is rejection. It
Mm,
kept showing up in different ways in my life until I finally stopped and faced it. So I can help you heal this. How can you do this? By
mm.
allowing ourselves to feel what we have been avoiding. Instead of asking why me, we can shift to what is this teaching me? Yes.
Yes, yeah,
So that, yeah, so that one question changes everything.
absolutely.
And I can suggest some tools like journaling, meditation, cord cutting, forgiveness. They all take us deeper in healing this. Because Anu, healing is not about fixing, it's about remembering that truth.
Very true. Yes. Great. So the next question I have for you is, in today's world of constant pressure, how can women align their career, relationship, inner growth without burning themselves out, and without having that guilt of saying that she's proceeding for her own self. So
Yeah.
what is your take on this?
Mm, in today's world, women carry so much pressure to succeed, be it career, let it be relationships, you know. And in middle of all this, she tends to forget who is she, and she forgets to take care of her own self. Because this has been faced by myself. I too have felt this. I was trying to be everything for everyone and almost losing my own energy. And the best way I feel to align career, relationships, and inner growth, is to first give yourself permission to pause. Balance is within you, it doesn't come from outside. So you can ask yourself, am I feeling nourished today? Am I feeling happy today? Am I feeling heard today? Sometimes it can be rest, sometimes saying no, sometimes doing something you love. Yes.
Yeah.
So when you fill your cup first, that is where you show yourself better.
Yes.
Right. So there are some simple rituals which can keep help you keep grounded and prevent burnout. Like, morning intention, evening reflections, mindful breathing, journaling, all this will help you keep grounded. And
Great.
yes, so
Got
burnout won't be that difficult for you. Yes.
got it. Great.